scar is a remodel of the skin due to trauma, right? So the way the skin, unfortunately, when you get a cut or a burn or something like a trauma, it can't make it smooth like it was before, right? So the way the skin acts is it's the body's natural reaction to, let me just kind of patch this together, and it kind of does it in a haphazard way. And sometimes, depending on the area of the body or the skin or the face, it has more thickness to it because it has more tension. Okay, so scars respond to lots of different things, just kind of like the human body inside. Like I was talking to someone the other day about that, as being a former chiropractor, that people were like, oh yeah, I have arthritis in my neck, or I've got osteophytes on my, they get it extra and like, oh, my neck. And what it is that the bone is also the same. So your bones remodel all the time. And your teeth, everything's moving and changing and remodeling. So when you get like a trauma to the neck or something inside, it makes more bone to kind of take care of that area that was injured, right? So you'll see thicker bone density. Well, same thing with the skin. When you traumatize it, you're going to have thicker density there. So